Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Reihan cream caramel. First, gather your simple ingredients: sugar, milk, eggs, and a touch of vanilla. To start the caramel, melt about 1/2 cup of sugar in a saucepan over medium heat until it turns a rich amber color. Be careful, as it gets hot quickly. Immediately pour this molten caramel into 4 individual ramekins, swirling to coat the bottom. This sets the stage for our delicious dessert. Next, let's prepare the creamy custard base. In a bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs with 1/4 cup of sugar until they are well combined and slightly pale. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. Meanwhile, gently warm 2 cups of milk in a separate saucepan over low heat. Ensure it's warm but not boiling to prevent curdling when combined with the eggs. Now it's time to combine our elements. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent them from scrambling. Strain the custard mixture for a super smooth texture, then carefully pour it over the set caramel in each ramekin. Place the ramekins in a baking dish, fill with hot water halfway up the sides, and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit until set. Once baked, let your cream caramels cool completely, then chill them in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This firming time is crucial for the perfect texture. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of each ramekin to loosen the custard. Invert it onto a serving plate and watch as the luscious caramel sauce cascades down. It's a truly delightful treat. Don't forget to check the description below for links to some fantastic deals and products that can help you in your kitchen.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.